Okay, so welcome guys. So we're gonna try this matcha flight. Yan, diba? So they have 5 flavors. So una natin try is which one? We're gonna try this one, the soft. Sorry.
Ice cream basic.
Yeah, it's like an ice cream base.
Basic, not basic.
I'll spoon maday.
Little spoon.
Yeah. How's the taste? Rate from 1 to 10.
1 to
9
10.
out of 10.
9 out of 10, really? Let's try.
No?
Hmm?
Will you try also?
Yeah.
Why
You
9?
can
Why
taste-
it's not 10?
You can taste the matcha. It's good. You like it?
What is
Not too much, huh? Maybe your tummy will
You cannot sleep also. Maybe you cannot sleep.
Next is
What's name?
what is the next
Rose
one?
milk.
The rose matcha latte. Where's your straw? It's your mommy's straw.
That's not my mom.
It's my mama. It's my mama.
No, no.
Wait.
Ah,
Yeah.
Wait, Nika. You should
Try.
wait, Nika. Oh, wait. 1 up to 10.
What be? Huh?
bitter.
Maybe you need to mix it.
I'm gonna give it.
Then,
I'm gonna give it a 0 out of 10.
why is it?
Bitter.
Yeah.
Let it try.
Because it's a rose matcha latte. There's a rose.
Ewy. Ewy.
But it's good.
It tastes bitter.
From down, from down.
Yeah, try it one more time.
Down, down, down. Okay? Then sip it. It's nice.
You can taste the flour. It's like you're eating flour. Yeah,
Very-
because it's rose matcha.
Never mind.
How about the rain?
I will give it a 5 out of 10.
Me, it's like
It's not
7.
that. It's not that bad though. Okay, next one.
Ay, careful, look at my
Yeah,
clothes
that's quick.
na. Ay, nako.
Yeah, it's
Okay,
because
next.
you're wearing white. Wait. So the next one is the cloud matcha.
Okay, let's try.
So we're gonna try this one. Okay.
Hurry up.
Hurry up. What hurry up? Wait. Okay.
From down, Nika. If you
down,
want
down.
to down. You push down.
Yeah.
Push it down.
Put your straw down. Try it.
Listen to this ASMR.
Let's see your reaction.
Enough.
How is it? How is it?
Good.
Good?
The rate. 1 up to 10.
1 from 10.
1 up to 10.
7 out of 10.
7?
Mmm.
7? It's nice.
What can you taste? There is coconut water.
Na?
Kaganawara. Kaganawara.
Yeah, coconut water. Masarap, yummy. Para ano siya sa akin? Para 9 siya sa akin.
Ay?
Kaganawara.
Yummy.
And the next
Parang
one.
katul...
The next one.
Masahan mo?
Yung tubig
Ha?
na ano, walang laman. Na.
No,
yung
coconut
na
Oh, yung-
walang laman.
The next one
Yung
is.
juice niya.
The next one
Okay.
is 2
So the next one is... Which one? So we're gonna try the...
This one.
It's ube collagen. Oh, may
Hurry up!
collagen. Ha? Wait
Sorry.
lang, because
You
we
should
can...
pass out.
We need to check first. So as you can see, this is the matcha dust. Okay, the cloud matcha and the collagen ube coconut water.
Kaganawara.
Coconut water,
Ayan.
Yes, collagen.
Kaganawara.
like coconut water, sila color.
Gimme. Gimme.
Excited? Oh, try.
You're the first
Oh, this is the
Huh?
flower. Put it down.
Why? Here.
Okay, put it here.
So they can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need to show to the...
So they can see. Come.
Okay.
Try.
We have to mix it.
Hmm?
We You have to mix it.
Yeah, not totally mixed. That's it.
That's it, that's it, that's
So
it.
you can taste the ube.
Oh, enough.
Mm.
What's
How
the
is it?
taste?
Good.
Good?
1 up to 10.
Gonna live 10.
Really? This is 10 for you? Gonna try.
I like the down.
Yeah, I like the color.
I was about to lick my hand.
Oh,
It's nice.
How about you?
yeah.
Mika, you should.
Hmm? Mami.
Okay.
Hmm? Ate Nina. Hmm? Mm.
Mommy.
Careful, careful.
Yeah,
Just
careful
put
your
straw here.
clothes.
Just put your straw. Down. Let me
Ah,
try.
dahil. Sa akin, ano siya? 9 din siya.
Sa kanya 10.
Hmm? Siguro 9.2. Ganun.
Kasi matamis.
Ha? Oo.
Yeah, 10.
So, masarap. Okay. So, the last one.
I like it too much.
Okay, so the last one is the...
Ube.
No!
The ube is done.
This one, the passion soda. So, the passion. It's like there's a passion fruit. Yeah. With
Where's all the
sweet
passion?
lemon. Ayan o, with sweet lemon, soda water, and passion fruit syrup. Like passion.
Passion is that.
Diba? Tignan natin kung magugustuhan mo.
Okay, try.
Let's try.
There is a flower on the top.
No, it's not flour.
What's that?
It's passion fruit.
Ah, passion.
Yeah. Ano?
Mm.
Hmm?
20 out of 10.
Huh?
20?
This is the most you like it? Really? Let's try.
20? Hindi?
Alam mo, nalalasahan ko yung... parang guava. Guava ba yung passion fruit?
Hindi.
Parang guava.
A second, I was like, this tastes bad.
Manamis-namis na, na maasim.
Let me try again.
Again.
Wait.
Mimi first. Enough, Tika, enough.
Oh,
And me.
si Inday naman.
Hashim,
This is mine.
Ah?
you like that one?
Hmm?
For me, I don't like.
Ano?
Gusto niya.
Not too much, ha? Maybe your tummy.
Enough,
Hmm?
enough.
Yeah. Let's try again this one.
And let me try
Hmm?
You
first.
try it already. That one is the...
Ube.
The ube. Sarap. Yummy.
The one.
Gimme.
Masarap yung ube collagen.
Two
Yeah.
golden cloud.
Huh?
I like it.
Ikaw.
Ano? Sige, kaya mo yan.
Inubos.
Right here. Tasting. Picture tayo.
Ikaw.
Hmm?